In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files on GitHub within just a few minutes. GitHub is a vital tool for developers, used for version control and collaborating on projects. Whether you're cleaning up a repository or removing unnecessary files, it's important to know how to manage your projects effectively. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, navigate to GitHub's website. It's the central hub where all of your projects or repositories are stored. Once there, you'll notice a Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing your account, so go ahead and click on that. It's important for you to sign in to make any changes to your repositories. After you click Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address. Make sure you enter the one associated with your GitHub account. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and securing your account's access. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Remember, your password is the key to your account, so keep it confidential and secure. If you followed along correctly, you're just a step away from accessing your GitHub dashboard. Simply click on the Sign In button to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the GitHub dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Your dashboard is essentially the control room for all your repositories. You can create new projects, clone existing ones, and of course delete files, which is what we're focusing on today. Now locate the repository from which you want to delete a file. Remember, a repository is just like a folder on your computer, but it's stored on GitHub. It contains all the files for your project, as well as the history of changes made to those files. Once you've found the right repository, click on it to open. Inside the repository, navigate through the files until you find the one you want to remove. Maybe it's an outdated document or a piece of code that's no longer needed. Whatever the case, proceed by clicking on the file. With the file open, you'll notice a row of options towards the top. Look for the three-dot icon, which represents more options. Clicking on this icon will reveal additional actions you can take on the file, including the one we're interested in, deleting the file. Select Delete File from the drop-down options. GitHub knows that deleting a file is a significant action, so you'll likely be asked to confirm this decision. This step is a safeguard, ensuring that you don't accidentally remove something important. Confirm the deletion and voila, the file will be removed from your repository. It's as simple as that. However, remember that this action, while straightforward, can have significant implications for your project. Always double check before you delete anything, ensuring that the file is indeed something you can do without. Here are a few extra tips to keep in mind while managing files on GitHub. Always commit with a clear message when adding or deleting files. This practice keeps your project's history understandable not just for you, but for anyone else who might be working with you. Secondly, take advantage of GitHub's branch system for major changes. This way your main project remains unaffected until you're ready to merge the changes. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to delete files from your GitHub repository. It's a simple process, but one that carries a lot of weight in managing the cleanliness and efficiency of your projects. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, understanding how to navigate and manipulate files on GitHub is essential. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your GitHub powers wisely.